Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica, the newest addition to Huracan family. I always loved their design language. The aggressive lines makes them such a good looking car. Since the car has LP640-2 badge, so I'm guessing it will have 640 horsepower, and obviously 2 is for it being a rear wheel drive. The new Technica gets the same Y-shaped air curtain like Scion and Huracan Super Trofeo. It not only helps with the aerodynamics but also helps to direct airs to cool the components of the brake, such as brake fluid. According to Lamborghini, they have improved the downforce by 35% and reduced the drag around 20%. The cooling of the brakes and brake fluids has also improved a lot. As for the other performance numbers, they are still under wraps for now. And to check the options and possible changes, I checked out their configurator. Here we can see like there are two options to select from. I guess this one comes with options installed, and this one is like a base offer and you can customize it as per your liking. Let's play around a bit, shall we? So there are these color choices. I really like the green color on them, especially the matte one. I once saw a matte green Huracan in the showroom and it looked so good. Anyways, you have a boatload of color to choose from, but I like the Verde Alceo. I'm probably butchering the pronunciation. You have few choices on the 20-inch rims. You can choose monologue wheels. You can check the brake calipers color. Oh, they have red. Now in my book that is additional 10 horsepower right there. But I think on this particular case the black one goes much better with the green color. But what do you think? Would you go with the black, or is there any color that you would prefer? Option to choose livery. Let's go with the green. So this one puts a line on the front lips and the rear diffuser, and I think that looks really nice. The presence of hexagons are everywhere, same as the previous Huracan, but this time they went one step up and even shaped the exhaust in hexagonal. See the exhaust in hexagonal shape? You can choose on different designs of the liveries, but I personally only like the contrasting roof and the rear spoiler. There is an option to choose the carbon fiber back. That's interesting. Let's check the interior. Here is not much to play with. I'm going to go with the green accent, but I don't like green splashed all over the interior, so I will go with this option, and the contrasting green stitching might look good. Floor mats, no thanks, I guess. Oh, I forgot to put the green belt. Now there are options to get additional Alcantara bits and pieces, or like entire Alcantara dash, and then you have the options to choose carbon fiber options. I'm going to go with only carbon fiber AC vents. I saw that one in person, it kind of looks cool. And you also have options to put carbon fiber on the doors. And now comes the big list of the options. Here you got everything, including the maintenance, warranty, 5-year warranty, 5-year maintenance, or things like Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You can choose any way you like, but I think every car should have now Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. I mean, like, you know, these are modern cars, you should have those things. And it's also very helpful when you're driving. Some weird options, at least for me, that is the parking cushions for your tire. And then you got phone holders, probably much cheaper to buy outside. Protective films, that is not weird, but this option is much easier if you decide to get a full paint protection from outside. Anyways, thank you for sticking around the whole video. That's the new Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica from Lamborghini Automobile. Thank you very much, and if you stick around, maybe I will see you in the next video.